In this video, I'm going to talk about how to check someone's location on your iPhone. So let me directly get into it. So first of all, if you wanted to check someone's location on your iPhone, we have three different ways. So let me get into it one by one. So the first one is all about you need to go over here, tap on the Find My. Now over here, as you can see, I have already shared, this is the location that I have shared to some people using, this is a default app that's called Find My on your iPhone. So I have already shared my location to two people. So similarly over here, if you tap on the people, you'll be getting list of people here to whom you have already shared your location. Similarly, if someone shared their location to yours, it will be also visible here. Now, if I wanted to check someone's location or the live location of them, what I need to do is just go over here, tap on the particular person. Now from here, you can just get all kind of details on this, where they are and what they're doing, and all kind of things will be visible and you can check it from here. Similarly, we can do it in the vice versa as well. So if you share to someone or if they have shared their location, you can do it in the same way. And also, if you want to share your location, that means the live location, to someone, we have one more method that is all about. You just need to go over here, tap on the plus icon over here. There is an option called Share My Location. Tap on this one. So now from here, you can share to the people whom you would like to share. So they'll be receiving it and they'll be able to track you down hereafter. So this is the first and easiest way on how we can get it. And also, apart from this, if you want to know the second method, that is all about, you just need to go to the Google Maps over here. And from here, if you just click over here at the top, or you can just click over here on the search, you can see this is some of the nearest thing that I visited very recently. Under the recent, it says these all the locations that I have visited very recently. So now what you need to do, you'll be getting all kind of details from here, to whom they have already went, to all kind of things will be visible. So this is how we can get it as the second step. And also, apart from this, if you wanted to check it properly, you have to try the third step. That is all about, you just need to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to the privacy and security. Now from here, you have to tap on the location service. And from here all the way down, you have to keep scrolling down and tap on the system services. Now from here, you have to scroll down over here and click on the significant location and routes. You have to give a Face ID, so you'll get into it. Now from here, it says that I'm actually having two records over here. So this will give you a complete details on where you visited very recently, with there you can track it down, and also it is having a proof that the two records are there where I visited very previously, and make sure that you have turned on this one like this. So using these three different ways, this is how you can track someone on your iPhone using their location. We'll be getting all the details of live location, where they visited and what they did in all the recent days. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.